everyone, we are doing level 3 integration 2023 question 3e. Consider the differential equation 1 minus x squared 1 plus y dy dx plus 1 minus x 1 minus y squared equals 0. Given that y equals 0 when x equals 2, find the values of y when x equals 6. First of all, we have to rearrange this. Minus 1 minus x 1 minus y squared, isn't it? Then all the terms with the y left hand side, all the terms with the x right hand side. So to do that, first of all, times by 1 over 1 minus x squared on both sides, and 1 over 1 minus y squared on both sides, and then times by dx. That leaves 1 plus y over 1 minus y squared dy equals minus 1 minus x over 1 minus x squared dx. Before I put integral sign, I'm gonna factorize the denominators. So that leaves 1 plus y times 1 minus y, isn't it? dy. And right hand side, minus 1 minus x 1 minus x times 1 plus x dx. Simplifying. Now, before I do that, I'm gonna switch the sign. So I put negative sign here. I will explain shortly. So integral negative. So I put negative integral sign on both sides. So negative 1 over 1 minus y dy, and this becomes integral 1 over 1 plus x dx. And as you know, integral f prime x over f over x dx becomes ln f over x plus c, isn't it? So left hand side becomes ln 1 minus y equals right hand side ln 1 plus x plus c, isn't it? So it means 1 minus y equals e to the power of ln 1 plus x plus c. So in other words, it becomes k, so e to the power of c as a k times e to the power of ln 1 plus x. By the way, e to the power of ln 1 plus x means what? K, just 1 plus k, isn't it? Right? Now, rearrange it. So, hence, y equals what? 1 minus k 1 plus x. Do you remember we have information when x is 2, y is 0. So we plug 2 comma 0 into this equation to find the k. So 0 equals 1 minus k times 3, isn't it? So 3k equals 1, hence k equals 1 over 3. So that means y equals 1 minus 1/3 1 plus x, right? Then it says when x is 6, find the y value. So when I plug 6 into x, so y 6 equals 1 minus 1/3 times 7, isn't it? 6 plus 1 is 7. So that means 3 over 3 minus 7 over 3. That means negative 4 over 3 should be the answer. Alright? I will see you next time. 안녕!